All right, y'all. That doggone shit. Why does that say 30 minutes? Well, hold on a second. All right, everybody. We out here working. Y'all see that flathead shovel? We had to tear all these treads up. Right there's all you needed. That and the damn razor blade. And that's your best friend for pulling that up there. See, we're working on stripping her now. And the reason we use that, because they had down carpet. Well, you see how it's got carpet all over it? That darn, you can't get, it's hard to get that stuff off. But your shovel, pry it right off, boys. I'm sorry I couldn't get a video of us working. I'll try to next time, but our nephew didn't work today, just me and my brother. So it's hard for us to do it, but we'll be back, y'all. Morning, y'all. I just want to share that beautiful morning with everybody. Look at that, just gorgeous. Morning, y'all. Sideburn Bandit here. We start a new job today. We out here in Blairsville. The lady got a basement we're working in. We're going to here. Let me flip it around and explain. All right, y'all see those stairs right there? We got to take that carpet off, take the treads up and put skirting boards down, and then she wants to put LPB back for the treads there, and or to cover the treads. And then right here in the side where that is, we're going to make a bookshelf right there. And we might be doing the drop cell and all that in here eventually, but that's what we got going, y'all. We're about to get at it, and we'll post and let y'all know. All right, y'all, here's another angle of that bookshelf, or what we're going to make. It's in that right there. Y'all see it come together. But, all right, let's get at it. All right, y'all, if that gives y'all the idea of what we're going to be doing here, that's the start of our shelf. What we're going to be, see, we're going to have shiplap all through here, and then we're going to put some of that maple, or either maple or hickory plywood back there, and that'd be black, and then that'd be stained. But as y'all see how she's coming along, y'all get an idea of it. We got to put skirts right there and then redo all that. But y'all join and see how it winds up, see if we can't get it done, how she turns out. Oh, yeah, y'all, real quick, there's old Claude. He was a... All right, y'all, we're working on this custom bookshelf job and built inside the staircase. Y'all watch us turn that into what we're going to do with that. Once I learned this technology better, I'll try to put a picture up of what it's supposed to be, but I'm just going to let y'all see what we turned that into. We're going to use that right yonder. Y'all stick around, subscribe, and join the crew. Yeah, y'all can't forget about Claude. Claude, get out of there. What are you doing, boy? Hey, busted. Alright, y'all, we get y'all a little progress shot right there. Well, that's the back of it going together. We got it caulked, let that dry, and we're going to have to paint her. She'll be painted black down in there. Now we're going to take lunch and go get our shiplap boards for right there at the top. Alright, y'all stick along, see how she comes out. Alright, y'all. Oh, she coming together. We got through just painting, you know. Oh, for finished work, she takes a minute, but what y'all think, you know, she come a long ways. That's the second coat, you know, we just got through. We let it dry and see how she comes out. We made a little spill right there, but she's going to get flooring down, so it don't matter. That's why we didn't have to cover it up, y'all. But y'all stay tuned. Y'all subscribe and join the crew. Ain't nothing like pure satisfaction. Y'all got to get it. Hey, all right, y'all, that's what we're working with right there. What y'all think? Can y'all see what we're doing yet? Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all join the crew. Look at that pretty boy. We've got about old Claude dog. Slap sucker run off. You're going to lose your nuts. All right, y'all. How many of y'all guess what we was doing with that plywood and them staircase? I'm about to flip it around in a minute, but we want to hear y'all's opinion. Y'all leave a comment. All right, y'all, that's what we got now. We made a little bookshelf out of it. What y'all think? Just trying to get another little angle, y'all. Come up. Oh, yeah, let me show you the ceiling, and then that's what did on the top of it. It's kind of hard to make out, ain't it? It's just those shiplap. Look good though. What y'all think? Here, we're gonna paint it and get our side skirts on and our treads down and all that. But let me flip her around for you. What y'all think? There it is, boys. We turned that empty spot into the bookshelf. She wanted the black insert like that, so it ain't too bad. Looking pretty good. And, you know, back wall right over there. But yeah, what y'all think? Y'all let us know. And if anybody in Blairsville wants one, y'all give us a call. Thank y'all. Gotta get it, boo.